Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Rocky School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 3. Yes. So what we have learned, students, in last session of grammar? Yes, we have finished with lesson number 15, that is verb. So before we start the next lesson, that is lesson number 16, we'll just have a recap what we have learned in lesson number 15, verbs. So, do you remember, students, what I have taught you in the lesson in lesson number 15, verbs? First was the definition. So, can you tell me, students, what was that? Lesson number 15. We are taking just first we'll take a recap. Okay. So now verbs. So what was verbs? What we have learned? Yes, verbs are doing words and yes, action words. This was the first thing which we have learned in verbs. So, verbs mean what? A verb that tells us what a person, animal or thing does. Okay? That is called doing words or action words. This was the first thing which we have learned. Then what we have learned, students? Yes, we have learned verbs also tells us. It also tells us what a person, place, animal or thing is. Got it? So this is I have circled. The second thing which we have learned in this lesson was that verbs also tells us what a person, place, animal or thing is. And in that what we have seen one example, yes or no? What was that? Reena is a good girl, I have told you. So Reena is a tall girl, we can say. We can say Reena is a good girl. That example we have seen in the last session. Okay. So whatever the person is there. Okay. So that is, it also tells us about the verbs. And third thing, what we have learned? Yes, verbs also tells us what a person, place, animal or thing has. Yes or no? Do you remember? Has. So this has indicates the possession, what we possesses. Okay? And what are the things that belongs to any person, place or animal. Okay? So these three we have learned. So in our today's lesson, you may be thinking why teacher is taking everything again. For that purpose, so that today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about this second one, that is verbs tells us what a person, place, animal or thing is. And in this, what verbs were included, students? Do you remember? Yes, am, is and are. And this am, is, are. This we are going to see in our today's lesson in detail. Are you ready, students? With lesson number 16, till you understood what I have taken in the last session of lesson number 15, verbs? Okay. Now you can open your Fun with Grammar book, lesson number 16, am, is, are. It is a very easy lesson. Whatever is there in this lesson, already we have finished when I was teaching you lesson number 15, verbs. Still we will see in detail so that you will understand in clear how is the use of am, is, are. You have come to know now that am, is, are is also verbs. Now what is the use of, how we are going to use? That also I have taught you in the last session. But still in detail, today we are going to see. Take out page number 49, page number 49, lesson number 16. Ready, students? So I think these three words are familiar to you. That is am, is, are. Lesson number 16. Okay. Now read the sentences. Now can you see these three sentences? I am a good singer. How I am? Yes, I am good singer. Now she is a teacher. The students are attentive. Now what words are bold over here? Am, is, are. These are the three words which are bold, which shows that these are verbs. Now see here, the words am, is and are verbs. So verbs not only includes only doing or action verbs, but it also includes what a person, these words tells us what a person, place or animal or thing is. Understood, students? Okay, so underline this, what a person, place, animal or thing is. Again and again I am repeating, am, is and are also verbs. Is tells us, these word tells us what a person, animal or thing is. Just circle this is. Okay? I hope whatever I have underlined you are doing in your book. Now you will read some sentences to understand their usage. Means how we are going to use am, how we are going to use is and how we are going to use are when we are going to use these words. Ready? Pay proper attention, students. Yes, so we'll start with am. Now we are going to see how we are going to use am, is and are. So let us read some sentences to understand their usage. Means in each sentence how we are going to use these verbs that we are going to see in detail. Are you ready, students? I hope that till here you have understood. Now am. Now in last session itself I have told you that am always comes with the subject I. Can you see here? Wherever you will see I, which verb is going to come? Am. Got it? When we are going to use am? Yes, only with the subject I. Now this is clear, am. Now next, is. When we are going to use is. Veena. Now first we will read the sentence and then I will tell you how we have used this is. Veena is a student. Next, she is a doctor. This is my classroom. He is in the library. It is a book. There is a butterfly in this room. Now, in all these sentences, you will come to know why we have used is. Because now, can you see the subject Veena? Yes, Veena is singular. So, we are going to use is. Next, she is also singular. So, we are going to use is. Here, this is my classroom. It is a singular. So is. He, again singular. It is a book. It is a singular. So is. Next, there is a butterfly. Only one butterfly is there. So is used when there is a singular noun or pronoun. You can write in your book if you want. The use of is when it is singular noun or pronoun. Understood, students? When we are going to use is? Okay. Now here am is clear that am will always come with I and is going to come along with the singular noun or pronoun. Next. Now we will see the usage of are. Ready? Now read these sentences. We are players. Next, they are friends. The books are mine. There are 3 books on the table. Move on to the next page, that is 50. You are an intelligent student. And Rashi and Suman are friends. Now here also we can see are is used in front of plural nouns and you. Again I will say, again I will repeat what is there in page number 49. We. Can you see we? See, we are players. Can you see this? Players, that is plural noun. We is a plural pronoun. Okay, so we are going to use are. Again, they, yes, this is also a plural. See, your friends, yes or no? So I am going to use are. These books, these indicate a plural only, are mine. So, can you see here? This is also plural. There are 3 books on the table. 3 books also indicates plural noun. So, we are going to use are. Next page. You are an intelligent student. Now here you can see we can use are along with, can you see here students? Are is used, this is a singular, but we can use are with you also. Means with plural noun. If you want, you write noun or pronoun plus you can use are with you also. Understood students? When there is plural noun or pronoun or you subject, then we are going to use are. Got it? Now here also, Rashi and Suman, they are 2 friends. Okay? So that is also plural. So I am going to use the verb are. I hope that you have understood when we are going to use am, is, and are, ad. Yes, we have understood the usage of these 3 verbs. Now I hope that you have understood the explanation very clearly. Now we are going to solve exercise A and exercise B. Now when we are solving this, what we have to do students? Yes, we have to read the sentence. We have to read the sentence. We have to understand it. It is talking about a singular noun pronoun. Okay, and then according to that, we have to select the verbs. So what is exercise A? I hope that you are having pencil and eraser along with me. If you have understood, you can solve on your own also before me, and you can recheck. Anyhow, I am solving this too for you. Choose the correct words from the brackets. Okay, so whatever is correct, there I will make it tick, and the wrong I will just cut it. Okay, I will not cut it, I will just put a tick whichever is right. Now Mihika is a good girl. Now Mihika, here you can see only one name, that is Mihika is a girl. How she is? She is a good girl. So it is a singular. So I am going to use yes, is. So here we have written, when we are, I will write here for you. Am goes with I. Is goes with singular noun. This is for your, and are with you and plural noun pronoun. This will help you to solve this. Okay? Next. I am a student of class 3. Now I will always go with yes, am. So am is the correct one. There is many stars in the sky. Can you see here in the bracket they have given us 2 verbs. From that we have to select. Now there. There, can you make out it is a singular or plural? No. Here when we will read the full sentence, you will come to know star. Star shows that there is a many stars. So when there is a plural noun pronoun, yes, we are going to use are. These students are not in uniform. Yes, tell me what is this? It is a these students. Student shows that it is a plural. Yes, plural. Yes, are. Now Vishal and Nitin are is in the library. Now here how many names are there students? 2 names are there. 2 names of boys are there. So they are plural. So plural means are. We are am very happy to meet you. We means I am not talking about myself alone. Someone is with me. Okay. So we is also plural. So are. This is my favorite book. This. Yes, this and book. Book. Can you see? It is talking about a singular book. So I will tick is. There is a monkey on the tree. Yes, there monkey shows a singular. So is. Okay. So here also there is a. So you have to read the full sentence to find out is it in a singular, it is talking about a singular or a plural. See here, can you see here? There stars. Stars shows plural. So are. Here there a monkey, singular monkey. So is. Then students, I hope you have understood. Have you written this, students, in your book? If you have not written, here itself also you can write it. It will help you when you are going to solve this lesson or when we go through this exercise A. Then students, now we will move on to exercise B. It is also very easy. Now what they have here, they have not given any hint for us, is, are, am, nothing. Same way, but we have to fill in the blanks. We have to read the sentence. We have to just see whether the sentence is talking about a singular, subject, plural, whatever is there. According to that, you just fill it with the words is, are, or am. I hope that you have finished with exercise A. Shall I rub all this? I'll keep this as it is. Okay. Exercise B. Next. Exercise B. A fly. Dash an insect. Now a fly. A fly shows it is a singular. So singular is there. So I am going to use is. Please. These books dash interesting. Yes, books shows it is a plural. So I am going to use A-R-E-R. Mrs. Mathu dash our class teacher. So tell me, student, Mrs. Mathur is single or singular person? Yes. So talking about a single lady, she is our class teacher, that is Mrs. Mathur. So I am going to use is. I dash happy to see you again. Now I is there. I is singular, but what I have told, which verb we are going to use with I? Yes, am. The cow dash a useful animal. The cow is what? Exactly, it is a singular. So what we are going to use? is. This dash my classroom. It is talking about a single classroom. is. There dash many stars in the sky. Star shows that it is a plural. So there A-R-E-R. Next, I hope that you are copying along with me. How I am writing, you are with me. Next, Varun and Mohan dash in the classroom. How many students are there? How many boys? About 2 boys it is talking. So what word I am going to use, students? Yes, very good. A-R-E-R. We dash late for school. Am I late for school? Am I talking about myself? No. I am talking along with my friends or whoever is with me, brother or sister. So we shows that it is a plural. So we are late for school. Next, I dash a good artist. Yes, I goes with which verb, students? Exactly, am. Now here we have finished with our verbs is, are, am. Understood, students? I will give you 1 minute, just copy it down. If you have not finished, those who are slow. I want that you copy this also in your book. On page number 49, if you see, you have some space. Okay? There you can copy this. Am equals to is equals to singular noun oblique pronoun, and are verb goes with which? Yes, you. You, even it is singular noun. So are goes with you and plural noun pronoun. You write it down there so that it will help you next time. You will not get confused how teacher has used this is and are. Done, students? And in this way we have completed our today's lesson. So do you want me to revise what we have learned? Yes, we have learned about am, is and are. It tells us these are the verbs, yes or no? And they tells us what a person, animal and things are. Do you want to see this lesson in animation way? Okay. Have you written this, students? Again and again I am saying, just copy down this. So we'll start with our animation part of this lesson 16.
Am, is, are. Read the sentences. I am a good singer. She is a teacher. The students are attentive. The words am, is and are verbs. These words tell us what a person, animal or thing is. Let us read some sentences to understand their usage. Am. I am happy. I am her brother. Is. Veena is a student. She is a doctor. This is my classroom. He is in the library. It is a book. There is a butterfly in this room. Are. We are friends. They are friends. These books are mine. There are 3 books on the table. You are an intelligent student. Rashi and Suman are friends.
Now in this way we have finished with our today's lesson. Okay? So that was lesson number 16, am, is and are. So I hope that you have understood how is the usage of am, is and are. Whenever am, this verb am always goes with I. Is goes with singular noun and pronoun, and are goes with plural noun and pronoun plus you. So in the last session what we have started with the verbs. Verbs means action verbs, doing verbs. And in the next word we have learned that a verb also tells us about a person, place, animal or thing is, which we have covered in our today's lesson. In next lesson what we are going to learn, students? Yes, that verb also tells us what a person, place, animal or thing has, means what it possesses or belongs. That is lesson number 17. Has and have, has and had. So before I start, what you have to do? You have to just go through that lesson. You have to read. Okay? That is also simple. And next to next, that is 18 lesson, was and were. Usage of was and were. That also you can just go on reading It will help you to learn when I'll teach you more clearly. Now students, do you remember in lesson number 15, I gave you some homework. Okay? Exercise D 7 to 12 and this exercise E. Okay? And I gave you exercise G. I hope that you have done all this homework. If you have not done, I'll just give you the answers. Are you ready to take the answers of that? Okay. Now we are on lesson number 15. Whatever homework I have gave you, exercise D. I hope you have done. What you have to do, I'll just give you the answer. Just recheck. Okay? Ready? From 7th we have not solved. The telephone, yes, is ringing. Is it correct whatever you have done? Very good. The plane will be arriving soon. They have called me today. Have called. This already I have done. Only I am giving you answer to recheck your whatever you have done. If it is wrong, what you have to do? Just rub it. Tina has found a pet. We are on page number 45. Sorry, we are on page number 46. I have a new pet. Have. The soldiers are marching. So last time what homework I gave? You have done, students? If you have done, check it. If it is all right, so very good. Means you have understood whatever I have taught you. Here also I gave you just hint for one. That was the boys and Susan. Do you remember that, students? Okay, and the rest of that I told you to give as, I gave you as homework. Now with the help of the given words, I'll just give you the answer. The boys, yes, are playing. This I gave you, okay? So this will be right only. Jyoti and Ragini, what they are doing, students? Yes, they are dancing. Susan, what she is doing? She is alone. So what I will do is cutting a cake. Malini, what she is doing? She is alone. So is singular. So is. Tia, what she is doing? Tia is singing. Can you see from the picture? Yes, she is singing. And you can see these words are given upside. Veena and Surya, what they are doing? They are laughing. I hope you have done all this. Only you have to check your answers. Next, they are till here everything is correct. If it is correct, it shows that you have understood whatever I have taught. They, what they are doing? They are riding bicycles. 8. Rohan. Rohan is eating his food. Done? Okay. Now, last 48. Then all answers are right? Very good. Now here for this exercise H, I gave you number and I told you to just write in India blanks. I hope that you have done. I will not give that answer for you. We will go for exercise G. This was also homework for you. Now here, what is the hint given for you? The verbs. It is in bold. The first letter is bold. Talk was given by me. Then rest I told you to just find out. W-A-L-K. Yes. Walk is a action word. Next. Sleep. Can you see a sleep? Again. Plays. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Still, go is there. See is there. you have to use K. 8 they have told. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 2. Seven. Read. Peel is also one. P-E-E-L. Peel. Okay? Means already it is enough. So in this way we have finished all the 8 words. So this was all about 15th lesson which I gave you as a homework. I hope that you have finished with the homework part also. So what we have done today, students? Yes, we have finished with our lesson number 16 also, and I gave you answers for lesson number 15 also, only to just check whether you have done right it or not. Thank you. Have a good day.